Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. So in this video we will try to solve one numerical problem which is related to linear shrinkage, and this is basically from powder metallurgy part. So in this question they will give the sintered density, green density and compact density, apparent density, and they will ask one of the values like linear shrinkage or apparent density or densification. Okay, so this question is basically from GATE 2017 and this question is unique at that time, and most of the people did not solve this question in exam also because they didn't know the concept behind this linear shrinkage, behind this sintering density. Okay, so here I will tell you this concept. This concept is very nice, and if you want to check the unique questions in GATE metallurgy, so you can go through this 2017 paper. This is the unique paper and that one of the toughest paper in metallurgical engineering history. Okay, and also the cutoff for this paper was 35.90 only in 2017 for general category. Okay, so now we will see this question. Tungsten powder is pressed at 150 MPa to a green density of 55 percent. Okay, so 55% is given here. This green density is given, so green density you can denote through this rho green. So rho green is given. Rho green is 55%, or you can say 0.55, so you can take any value. It doesn't matter if you will take in percentage or in points. Okay, because we will take a ratio in formula. We'll see in next. Okay, so after sintering, the compact attains 86.5% of its theoretical density, means rho sintered is also given, means rho sintered is equals to 86.5%, that is equals to 0.865. Okay, we can take any value here. So now they are asking, assuming uniform shrinkage, the linear shrinkage. Okay, so linear shrinkage, we need to find what is linear shrinkage in this case. Okay, so linear shrinkage is basically measurement in the change in the length or and the ratio of the change in the length to the initial length, that is del L by L. Okay, so this is linear shrinkage and we need to find this value in this question. Okay, so what is the formula applicable here for this question? We will write here. So we know the formula. V sintered by V green is equals to 1 by 1 minus delta L by L whole cube. Okay, so this is the formula which is related to this volume of sintered and volume of green density is equals to 1 minus delta L by L, that this is basically linear shrinkage. So how we can relate through this density? We know this volume is inversely proportional to this density, so we can find like that. How we can change it into the density? We can find like that, because mass is same everywhere. Okay, in this case, so rho green upon rho sintered. Okay, so this is the formula. Finally, rho green by rho sintered is equals to 1 minus delta L by L whole cube. Okay, so this is the formula we have. Rho green by rho sintered is equals to 1 minus delta L by L and whole cube. Okay, so I told you about this volume. I told about this volume because in near future they may ask about the volume also. Okay, but here in this question they are relating this linear shrinkage through this green density and sintered density, and we know in the sintering process mass is constant. In sintering, mass is constant, that's why we can apply this formula. V is inversely proportional to 1 by rho, so m is constant, so m will get cancelled, and we can apply this formula here in this case. Okay, so now we will put the values here. So rho g is 55%, or we can take 0.55 also. Okay, so we can take like that. 55 by 86.5 is equals to 1 minus del L by L whole cube. Okay, so from here we can make it sort. From here we will get we can make this calculation shorter. So 0.6358 is equals to 1 minus del L by L, and this 1 by 3 will come 3 will come here, and you can take directly cubic root of this value. Okay, so 1 minus del L by L is equals to 0.86 0.8611. Okay, so from here we will get this del L by L value. So this del L by L is equals to 0.140 approximate. Okay, so for so this is the value delta L by L, that is linear shrinkage, equals to 0.140, and we need to change it into the percentage. So delta L by L multiplied by 100 is equals to 0.140 into 100. So that we will get it into the percentage, because in this question they are asking it into percentage only. Okay, so delta percentage delta L by L is equals to 14% approximate. So this is the correct answer for this question. This question is very nice, but people can do mistakes everywhere, because if you don't know the formula you cannot apply, you cannot do this question. Okay, so first of all try to remember this formula, then apply this formula and find the value of delta L by L, and also see the unit in which unit they are asking. So delta L by L is although dimensionless. Okay, so that's why they are asking in percentage, so we can change it into percentage by multiplying 100. Okay, so this is the first type of question which may be asked from this powder metallurgy part, and the other formula are also there. I will tell you in this video. Suppose in this question they have already given green density. green density okay, green density is given, apparent density is also given. Apparent density we can say here. Okay, theoretical density. So these are the densities they have given, and they want to ask you about the densification parameter. Okay, so how we can find the densification parameter? So for the densification there is a formula for the densification is equals to green density. I will represent through GA and GD, sorry, GD, apparent density AD, and theoretical density TD. Okay, so what is the formula of densification? Densification will be green density minus apparent density by theoretical density minus apparent density. Okay, so this is the formula which is applicable for finding the densification. Okay, so in short we can remember this densification by this formula, that is densification is equals to GA by TA. G means green density, A means apparent density, T means theoretical density, A means apparent density. Okay, so GA by TA is equals to densification parameter. Okay, so this is the first formula which is applicable here. So now they may ask the porosity also. So how we can find the porosity? Porosity is equals to apparent density, that is AD, apparent density by theoretical density, so TD. Okay, so in one of the previous year paper you will get the questions of this formula, like densification parameter and porosity. Okay, so this is how we can calculate the densification parameter and porosity also. And about the linear shrinkage I have already told you. So correct answer for this question is 14%, and that they will give the range between 13 to 15%. Okay, so you will be correct if you will apply the correct formula, and you will avoid the silly mistakes to find the final answer. Okay, so try to use virtual calculator in home as much as you can do during the practice session. That will really help you in GATE exam also, because most of the time will consume in using calculator also. Okay, so try to avoid the silly mistakes, try to reduce the steps in numerical problems, and try to find the correct answer. Okay, so 14% is correct here. You can write this second formula densification parameter and third formula porosity also. Okay, thank you guys for your attention. Hope you have understood this question, and hope you have learned something new in this video. We'll come with more questions in our upcoming videos. Please try to put your problems on our Instagram page. We will solve those questions one by one. Thank you.